How to use Nano Banana in Photoshop. Let's get into it. The first way of which we're going to be using Nano Banana is by changing the t-shirt that we can see in this image. We can do this by coming over to the selection tool, dragging and making a selection of the t-shirt, then choosing generative fill and typing in a prompt. I'm going to write change the t-shirt to black and put a picture of a cat on it. With that prompt entered, we can click on the generator. I already have Gemini selected, and then choose generate. Photoshop is then going to work its magic and generate a new t-shirt on this image. Now with Nano Banana, it can move your images around a little bit and make them not quite perfect. So you might find that you need to drag the thing that you have changed around. You might also find that you have lines on the edges of your images. So if we take a look here, we can see that the blending is not quite right on the edges. So we can just come up to the eraser tool, and with a soft brush selected, we can just paint over these edges ever so slightly to make them blend a little bit better. So here is our before, and then here is our after. Before and after. Another way that we can use Nano Banana is by using it to restore old images. So if we come back up to the selection tool, I'm going to select the entire image. I'm going to click generative fill, and then I'm going to put in the prompt, restore this photo in full color, make it look as though it's taken on a modern camera with natural outdoor lighting. And as we can see there, the results are incredible. Now this doesn't give you the best resolution of image, but it has done a fantastic job of restoring that photo. There are so many different ways that we can use Nano Banana in Photoshop, but that is all there is to it for this video.